So far in this course, we've provided an introduction to Google Cloud and explored the options and benefits related to using virtual machines, networks, storage, and containers in the cloud. In this section of the course, we'll turn our attention to developing applications in the cloud. We'll begin with App Engine, which is a fully managed, serverless platform for developing and hosting web applications at scale. So, how does it work? With App Engine, you can choose from popular coding languages, libraries, and frameworks to develop apps with tools you're familiar with, and then automatically provision servers and scale app instances based on demand. This means you can upload your code and Google will manage your app's availability. Coding options include Eclipse, IntelliJ, Maven, Git, Jenkins, and PyCharm. With App Engine, there are no servers to provision or maintain. App Engine provides built-in services and APIs, like NoSQL data stores, memcache, load balancing, health checks, application logging, and a user authentication API that's common to most applications. App Engine also offers software development kits, or SDKs, to help you develop, deploy, and manage your apps on your local machine. Each SDK includes all of the APIs and libraries available to App Engine, a simulated, secure sandbox environment that emulates all of the App Engine services on your local computer, and deployment tools to upload your application to the cloud and manage different versions. The SDK manages your application locally, and the Google Cloud Console manages your application in production. You can use the Cloud Console's web-based interface to create new applications, configure domain names, change which version of your application is live, examine access and error logs, and much more. From a security perspective, the Security Command Center, Google Cloud's security and risk management platform, keeps web applications safe. Through the Cloud Console, you can use the Security Command Center to automatically scan and detect common web application vulnerabilities.